been working on cars since I was a wee lad. When I was 12, I overhauled the dad's Chevy in the driveway, and it still ran after that, so that was a good sign.
Richard's Auto Clinic has nearly 300 five-star reviews on the internet. With over 50 years experience, access to original manufactured certified products, and a national warranty on all service and repair, you can rest assured your vehicle is in good hands.
We strive for customer satisfaction. We strive to make our customers happy. Part of that is making sure that when we're all done, that we've addressed all their needs.
Save our number in your phone, so when you need help, you know who to call. Richard's Auto Clinic is a family-owned and operated auto shop. Meaning, when you bring your vehicle into the shop, you are not just a customer.
Good job, bro.
You are family.
Say yay! Clap your hands, yay! Yay! Say yay!
Our expert repair services include general repair on all domestic and imported vehicles, fleet maintenance, and off-road vehicles. Ron and the family team at Richard's Auto Clinic do diagnostic testing, oil, fluid, and filter change, timing belt and car hose repair and replace, water pump, radiator, and cooling system repair and replace, battery and starter repair and replace, AC and heating repair, inspections and emissions, engine and transmission repair and replace, tire, brakes, and alignment, undercar services like axle, driveline, and suspension repair and replace. You name it. If it has an engine and wheels, we can fix it. Hurry and claim one of our online specials before time runs out. Personal care, because we care.